Even Jeffery Herlings would not want to be racing Jett Lawrence right now. And that's from him saying it himself after the Hawkstone Park race in Europe where he finished 4-1 for second overall. So not exactly a bad, overall race day. He said, quote, "At least one thing is for sure, I'm happy I don't need to race Jett Lawrence. I don't think I can match his speed. I'm honest, I'm open and I'm honest. I don't think I can match his speed anymore. I think on my good days, like in 2018, maybe I could have. But for me, he's the fastest guy around for supercross and outdoors." And it's kind of sad because, let's be honest, for years now, obviously, since 2018, 19, 20, whatever, I have at least wanted to see Jeffery Herlings come over and race at least an outdoor series. And, it was always a thing of Herlings versus Tomac and who's fastest and who can race and be better. And if you got this guy now, who is at one time the fastest guy in a dirt bike, just the rocket ship that he was, saying that Jett Lawrence is now the fastest guy, it almost kind of sounds like he's given up on the idea of coming over and racing, which I could be wrong about that, and I hope I am because again I would like to see it. And before Tomac retires, before Roxon retires, before you know that generation of racers is gone. It'd be cool to see whether he's championship competitive or not. It would still be a nice draw, especially if you get Prado coming over and Vial now. You get a lot of more of the Europeans coming over here. I think it'd be a cool little experiment. But it is kind of funny that, somebody from over there is even talking about, after a race in Europe is getting asked about Jett Lawrence. And that's from gatedrop.com. They apparently found him after the race and asked the question. And I don't know. You guys tell me. Would you like to see Herlings come over and race? Could you care less? Do you think if he did come over, he would do what, top 5, top 10, maybe race for podiums? Whatever it is, comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it does help me out a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.